Hi, I'm Emily. I'm from Highly Sprung and I've worked with students from Wilnecote to create a 20-minute performance for the Physical Fellowship. They have been such a dream to work with. They are so creative and amazing, and we have created a really beautiful show called Gary. And it's about acceptance of difference, and uniting together to understand other people's point of views.
The Physical Fellowship is really fun. We learnt loads at the workshops and the rehearsal was really good.
I've really enjoyed performing at the Belgrade Theatre because all of the people from Highly Sprung really made me feel really included, and all the rehearsals have been really, really good and I've really enjoyed it.
I've really enjoyed Highly Sprung. Emily has been amazing and quite helpful and taught us a lot of interesting things that we can use to help us perform.
I enjoyed Physical Fellowship because I enjoy performing on the Belgrade Theatre stage. I enjoyed making a performance with Emily and the team, and I think it's a great opportunity to make new friends and meet new people. Thank you, Emily.
I've enjoyed Physical Fellowship because I learned new skills and I get to perform on a stage.
They've learned how to lift each other, move each other in the space, create new work, and they've been such a brilliant team. I've had a lovely time working with them, and I'm really excited for them to perform it tonight at the Belgrade Theatre.